Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Who is coming next for you, friends? Many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, and this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, friends. It will still resonate and help with your situation. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. Subscribe, like, share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And friends, you can join us on Instagram also. You can also get the notifications there. If not, you can click the bell icon here so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. As I told you, you can watch it anytime, and it's a general reading, may resonate or it may not. And make sure to watch out your 2022 pick a card reading. I have already done that. The link is in the timestamps, and you can also watch your 2022 horoscopes readings. I have already started them. The links are in the timestamps, or you can check out the channel. And let's see what else. You can buy your own readings also. They are super detailed and super in depth. Many of you have booked your readings. If you have, please give me some time. I'm working on all the readings, so yes. All right, let's. I think it's time to start. That's all the announcement I had to make. So let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one. This beautiful couple in a orange dress. Option number two, this beautiful couple in a purple dress. What a beautiful card. And just the glare is very bad, although look at that. Option number three, the women in this red dress. So friends, relax, take a deep breath and think about your love life, and then choose option number one, option number two, option number three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section like always, so you can directly skip to your number, or you can choose more than one option also. And you can watch the entire reading also. So let's begin with pile number one. So if you chose option number one, this beautiful couple with the orange dress, friends, let us see who is coming next for you. Yes, I will be live shuffling today as you all requested. Some of you wanted it. It usually takes a lot of time. It doesn't make much difference to me, friends. It just takes more time. So these are your oracle and advice, and let's see who is coming next for you, friends. Let's see that. All right. And not everybody is fond of shuffling. Sometimes yeah, when sometimes some readings it's fun, but it makes the readings very long, very long. Not everybody is like having so much time these days, right? You're all busy. So let's see option number one, who is coming for them. Yeah, I got a card already. Nine of Swords, anxiety. Wow, you're currently very anxious, very worried about your love life, friends. It's really bothering you right now. I feel this is your energy. And look at this. The Sun. So you are looking for a happy relationship. You are looking for a complete change in your love life. You are looking for happiness, positivity, joy, a beautiful partnership. But right now you are anxious. You are seriously fed up of your situation. You are also feeling very restricted and blocked. You could also be dealing with a person who had anxiety in the past, or you have had relationships which gave you anxiety, depression, some sort of a mental emotional blocks. This is a very worrisome card, friends. Let's see, clarify the Nine of Swords. Ace of Cups, you want this new start. You're looking for a new love, friends. Ace of Cups, absolutely. I do feel that some of you are desperately looking for love, and you may have actually given up on love. I feel like you're on the verge where if love doesn't come to you now, you gonna give up on it. You definitely gonna give up on it. You are on the verge, on the precipice. I don't know, I don't know, on the threshold, threshold. I also feel some of you, maybe you have met a new person which you feel very nervous about, or you have anxiety meeting new people. Maybe you are introverts, or you have been hurt in the past, so you're like, when will this new start happen? How will it happen? When it will happen? Yes, some of you may have already met a new person, but you are very anxious with them. You are very, very nervous about, what will happen next in this connection. For others of you, a new connection is coming, and very, very soon, friends. In fact, the block that is happening right now in your love life is this anxiety. So, one block that is affecting your love life right now is like, you want a new love, you want to be in love, you want to be loved and taken care of, but you're a little anxious. You are a little like, will people hurt you? Will you get hurt? Will things repeat again? So you're a little anxious, and that's kind of blocking your love life. But I think definitely a new love is coming your way. A new start is going to happen. This is the Ace of Cups for you. And let's see who is coming for our viewers who chose option one. Six of Cups. Wow. So I do feel a soulmate is coming towards you, a soulmate which is destined for you. This is a very loving connection, a very, very healing connection. I also feel emotionally this connection, this person will be a blessing in your life, friends, because this is a healing. This person is like a healing balm to your soul, especially to your soul, which is very worried about will you get hurt or not, and all those kind of things. So this person will be very safe for you. They will be very protective for you, and this will be a new romance. I do feel this person could be from your past, like a friend, or like somebody you knew as an acquaintance, somebody you knew as a, like a childhood friend or a school friend, college friend. It could also be this person you may not know, but they share a connection from your past life. So I do feel this person is somebody that is a soulmate, that's very, very close to your heart. And the Two of Swords. Yeah, I do feel that, I don't know why, even though this person will be extremely good towards you, you will still feel a little doubt in accepting their proposal. You may also feel like, I feel like you may be confused between two people, friends, in the next, coming in your love life in the coming months. I do feel there are two people coming for you, because there is this new person, and you could be still hung up on a past person. You are not sure whether you want to move on or not. So there is this confusion in your mind. But I do see you accepting the new person, the new romance, someone who is very sweet, emotional, very loving, very caring. What else? Who is coming? High Priestess, and oh, my god. And you say I cherry pick my cards. I don't, friends. Here is a couple, the High Priestess, the High Priest. Look at that. When I shuffle also without live, this happens, right? You can often see couples. And look, I shuffled in front of you and a couple came. My God, friends, the person who is coming towards you is going to be a very, very intense relationship. It is the person that you are looking for. They are your other half, and definitely this will be the relationship that you looking for, searching for. You guys are perfect. You guys are very, very similar. If you are intuitive, they are intuitive. If you are introvert, they are also introverted. They are, you guys are perfect for each other. Like this, look at this, you are like made for each other. And the High Priest, they are very wise. They have gone, they will understand your challenges, you will understand their challenges. So this is like a twin flame relationship. This is even better than a twin flame relationship. Yes, this is, they are wise, they are sweet, they are solid. You are subtle, you are soft, you are kind. This is absolutely brilliant. The person who is coming towards you, you will feel absolutely head over heels in love with that person. One thing I have a problem, one thing that will be a problematic situation in this relationship will be doubt. You will doubt, is this for real? Is this for real? Because you had been through so much that either you or your person may doubt a little, like, is this true? Is this for real? Because, friends, this is such a beautiful relationship. This is like you guys can feel each other. You guys are, one soul in two bodies. So You guys will be very, very close with each other, friends, and this may lead to a little bit of doubt, like, is it true or are we dreaming? Are we fantasizing? But it is true, friends. You guys are definitely made for each other. You are extremely similar, and the more time you spend with each other, the more you will understand how similar you both are. And there will be an emotional high when you meet this person and start dating or falling in love. There will be a lot of emotional high happiness, and you will feel a connection with this person, instant connection, like yes, they are the one. You will feel very attracted to them, even if they are your friend, even if they are your colleague, even if they are somebody, a stranger, just met an unknown person. You will still feel very attracted towards them. My god, this is beautiful energy. I'm so excited by this. Oh my god, I dropped the card, can't pick it up now. The Knight of Wands. So this person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I also feel this connection will be a very, very powerful connection. There will be a lot of physical as well as emotional attraction in this connection. And I feel you guys are meeting this person for a purpose. There is a higher purpose behind your meeting and falling in love. And I feel the main purpose of your meeting is to invite, bring this spark, this sunshine into your life. Right now, you both are going through this darkness, and as soon as you guys meet together and fall in love, things will brighten up. So interesting. Okay. The King of Pentacles. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. Yeah, I do feel this person will definitely erase all the doubts, all the fears you have in your mind. This person is very reliable. They will take their time. They will not rush you through. If you need more time, they will be very understanding of that. I do feel if this is a man, they are very kind and giving. And if she's a woman, she's extremely passionate and extremely understanding at the same time. So it's a wonderful connection. The Three of Pentacles, yes, there will be a lot of harmony. You guys are absolutely made for each other, and you will have similar likes, similar dislikes, similar hobbies. You might actually have similar work. You may meet through work also, through your career, through your work. Another thing I'm feeling is like you will get to know, like discover more, like what is common in both of you. As time goes on, you will discover, like, you have other hobbies which are common in both of you. Another thing is you may meet this person through a common hobby on social media, in a social group or somewhere. So get out and start working on your hobbies. This person is there waiting for you. So what else? Who is coming towards our viewers? Well, Ten of Wands. Yeah, I do feel this person is extremely hardworking. They do have certain responsibilities. And when you meet this person, this new person, you will feel like they have a lot of workload with them at that point of time, or they are going through a tough time when you first initially meet, but that will not affect your meeting. In fact, this person will be extremely excited by meeting you because they are going through some bad times and you are like this sunshine into their life. I keep getting that song, there ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's from the movie Notting Hill. You should listen to that song. It's a beautiful song. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. So, this person is like, you are my sunshine. I want you. And, it's like even you will feel that way, friends, when this person comes, that all your loads are slightly lifted off when this person appears. And the Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person. Yes, I do feel you guys will spark something in each other. You guys will help each other a lot. There will be a lot of passion. There will be a lot of emotion in this connection. Um, I also feel this new person is someone who may have an age gap between you and you. Age difference is there between you and them. You guys could also be in a same-sex relationship, or you guys could also be having, like, what you say, you might be having a different cultural religion background also, but it will not affect you because you guys are absolutely similar. The high priest and the high priestess, you are exactly the same. All these things will not matter. The emotional connection, the passionate connection will matter to you. Let's see how you will feel in this relationship. Let's see that. Who health? So I think, yeah, definitely this relationship will help you to focus on your health or healing, because some of you, either you or your partner, is going through anxiety, depression, or some sort of health issues. And yes, coming together, uniting together will definitely boost your health and your partner's health. I will honor the physical vessel that enriches my soul. So yeah, I think this is a very high vibe relationship, high vibrational relationship, because there are relationships when you start to focus on your health in a positive way. Such relationships are really rare, and when they happen, you feel very good, you feel very happy. They have a positive effect on you, and that's how you will feel with this person, very positive. A lot of healing will happen. And balance, so yeah, I do feel at times you may feel like this is a very intense relationship, because you guys are perfect for each other. You guys are like, you don't know where you end and where they start, but at the same time you guys will be perfectly at home with each other. So this is wonderful, I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. So this, you both will balance each other out and bring so much love, joy, and happiness for each other. And I know some of you are like, oh, this cannot be true for you. Well, you still have the doubt, and that's exactly how you will feel when you meet this person. You will have like, is this true, or is this for real? You will have that doubt, but don't let that doubt stop this beautiful relationship for manifesting in your life. Cat. Wow, there will be a lot of intuitive energies in this relationship. I feel this person will be very attractive. They could be a hippie, they could be someone very seductive, very good looking, or they have a very seductive aura, very attractive aura. You will feel attraction from this person, and they will also find you extremely sexy. So you both are very sexy people, not just sexy, but also very different, very unique. You know how cats are. You cannot ignore a cat. When she crosses the path, she crosses the path. You have to look at her and like even say, oh, look, what a beautiful cat. Even if they are wild, you have to say that, right? Because they are beautiful, isn't it? So that's exactly how this person is, beautiful and unique. And look at that, the lantern. So yes, you guys are each other's light. You guys are definitely each other's sunshine, and I guess that song really fits. Ain't no sunshine. Yeah, you guys will definitely light up each other's life. I think you guys will learn a lot about yourself through this person, and they will also learn a lot about themselves. So this is a self-exploring partnership. It is a wonderful partnership, I feel. You guys could be mentoring other people. You guys could become teachers. You guys could start something together which will help the world or help people around you. So wonderful. Let's see the advice for you, friends. Let's see that. Miracles, expect the wondrous to emerge. Yes, friends, I feel you are definitely in doubt that this will happen. You want this, you are manifesting this, but you really doubt it. So, my advice is that miracles happen, friends. Expect the best and it will happen for you. Impasse, reflect and redirect your energies. Yeah, I do feel currently you may be waiting for a past person, and that's not happening for you. Currently you are waiting for things which are not making sense. you know you are currently stuck, so you need to refocus and rethink. So try and do that, and I'm very sure this person will be coming very quickly into your life. So let's see if there is anything else for pile number 1. All right, let's take that. Okay, cobweb. Um, Protected from negative forces beyond your control. So you definitely are very protected. You don't need to worry about when, how, and this will happen. Some of you may be actually feeling cursed in your love life, like you guys are cursed. It's nothing like that, friends. It's just a matter of timing. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Yes, this is not a time to give up, friends. This is a time to stick with your manifestations and dreams, and you can achieve it. Grasshopper situation in the balance that require careful and handling. Yes, I do feel when you will meet this person, it will be slightly tricky because you both will be a little, surprised that you have such a beautiful connection, as well as scared that you have such a beautiful connection. So just just be careful how you deal with it, camel. Perceive and you will overcome. Yes, you are going to overcome your problems, and this relationship is extremely strong. Dolphin, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. So yeah, I do feel you have a very strong past life connection with this person. Plenty of material things. So I do feel your partner is very wealthy. They have a lot of wealth and abundance. So let's see, Bat. Take care, enemies are working against you. Yeah, I do feel that, there might be fears working because anxiety could be a fear in this connection, or even other people may be jealous of you and this beautiful love you have. So please try to protect it. Box, you will receive a gift. Yes, a gift is coming. Horse, short journey. So, yeah, this person could be living in some different city or country. Or you are a person with darker hairs is important. Bread, period of prosperity and abundance. Yes, it will be a very prosperous relationship. Cracked cup, dissatisfaction. Yeah, you're really dissatisfied right now. Like, why is this not happening? It will happen. Someone is leaving your life chair empty. Yes, if you're worried why someone left you, it is only for a higher purpose because someone else is coming. And a bouquet, look at that. Complete compliments from an admirer. So definitely someone is coming towards you. I cannot tell you more about this. All the cards have said it in short. They have just said it everything very clearly. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic Z saying bye bye. Friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see who is coming next for you. If you chose this beautiful couple with a purple dress, wow, 6 of cups. This is a very, very beautiful connection, and it is something which is a very divine and protected connection, a beautiful friendship. It could also be something that starts as a friendship and builds into love and marriage. This is something very sweet, innocent, and beautiful. It could also be very pure, in some way, this connection that's coming for you. These are your oracle and advice. We're going to look at them shortly. Let's see who is coming for pile number 2. 222. I feel this person's life path number could be 2 because they seem very sweet, very kind, or very sensitive. Someone who is very sensitive. Let's see. This is what I feel right now. Let's see who is coming for pile number 2. In love life, who is coming for pile number 2? Oh wow, 6 of wands. So someone very passionate is coming towards you, friends. Someone who is a very passionate, who is a go-getter, someone who is also very, very successful in their work and career. I also feel someone who has a very positive aura. They have a very positive influence. Someone who has a large friend circle. That person is coming towards you. I also feel you could be doing well right now in your life, friends. Your focus is more on work and career right now rather than on your love life. So, this person is also very much focused on their work and career. Okay, the 9 of swords. So yeah, I do feel that this person is someone who really likes to work out a lot. They could be someone who has multiple jobs, or who does a lot of things at one time in a day. Like they have a lot of multitasking and everything. This person also feels they have a lot of hobbies. They could be a speaker, they could be someone who works in IT, engineering, commerce, administration. They could be a surgeon or a lawyer, also someone who has a way with words. um, I feel some of you are actually very much focused on work, and you're not at all interested in your love life. In fact, you may be here to listen to this reading because of your family, or because of interest or curiosity. Otherwise, you are more focused on your work. So who is coming towards you? Someone who is a multitasker. They do a lot, many things. They think a lot. This is a very sharp thinker. They are very, very intelligent, and they are very sharp thinking. This person has a very sharp brain. They have a way with words. They could be a lawyer, they could be a debater, they could be a doctor, they could be in engineer or engineering field or commerce. I do feel they have a lot of hobbies. This person keeps doing something all the time. They just don't like sitting, idle. That's not their energy. I see they are doing something. They are doing something here. Um, the Two of Pentacles, yes, someone who is extremely busy is coming towards you, friends. I also feel this person could be handling two jobs, two positions, or they could be having two businesses, two companies. So they are very, very workaholic, and somewhere this person is a little obsessed with work. But I feel they are quite wealthy. They have a lot of wealth and they love to share it with people around them. And I feel this person who is coming towards you is someone who can handle a lot of stress and still be very relaxed. So you will find it very amazing, that if you meet this person, they are very chilled out and like completely happy and relaxed. But if you ask them, they had a very busy day, but it just doesn't matter to them. They are used to this stress, this pressure, this high energies, high pressurized situations. They are used to it. Like being a doctor, they are used to it. They being a lawyer, they are used to this pressure cooker situations, but relaxed. And the moon, oh my god. So this is a very, very romantic person. I do feel they are very romantic. They are very, very deep. They may also be extremely poetic. um, you will feel very much connected with this person, friends. There is a lot of emotional connection with this person. They may come into your life as a marriage proposal, and then you may fall in love with them, because I feel initially your talks will be more about work, family, general things. Only after some time you will develop an emotional connection with them, just as I told you earlier, you may start as friends and then develop feelings or attraction for each other. Yeah, I do feel that this person is someone who is very clear in what they want. They will be very, very clear, like, yes, I want you and I want this also. But they are very deep emotionally. They don't show their depths, they don't reveal their feelings very easily. But this person is extremely deep, extremely emotional, highly sensitive. They could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Five of Wands. Yeah, I do feel that this person is someone who has a lot of things happening in their life. So sometimes this person who is coming towards you, they may have trouble balancing out things, their work with their love life. So you may find them, like, when you have to talk with them, this person is slightly busy at work. So they may make you wait, and you will get offended by that. Why is this person making me wait? But I think it's not like they want you to wait. It's just that they have a lot of feelings, but they are also very, very busy. So you will just have to keep that in mind, that this person who is coming towards you is a workaholic, and they are very deep. They are old souls, but they are busy. They do have a very busy routine, and that's because they are at a high position, or that's their job is demanding. The Lovers, yeah, I do feel that there will be a lot of stimulation, of physical attraction in this connection. You will feel very, very drawn to this person. I also feel that you may be liking someone else, or they like somebody else when you meet them. I don't know, there is this energy of two people again here. Like, you want this person, but you are not really. I don't know, let's clarify this. Ace of Cups, yeah. This, I feel like before meeting this person, before falling in love with this person, you will have some choices, or they will have some choices. I'll be honest here, friends. It does feel like, this person will have some choices other than you, but they will end up choosing you, or you will end up choosing them, because of the Ace of Cups. So this is a brand new connection that's coming in. It will start slowly as friendship, or as colleagues, or as co-workers, or friends, or neighbors. It will take some time to develop into love, but eventually it will. And I also feel once you fall in love, there is no looking back, because this is the Moon, this is the Lovers, very, very intense connection. I also feel that this person will feel extremely physically attracted towards you guys. So there is a lot of passion from this person. And the Page of Wands, yes, Aries, Leo, Sag. This person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Also, they could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You guys could be opposites also. So there is a lot of attraction here in this connection. And I feel some of you will be hesitant who will take the first step in this connection. I feel it would be them, your person who is coming towards you. But I think you will be eyeing this person, like what if this person proposes. You might be having a slight crush on this person who is coming towards you. The Six of Swords, yes, I do feel that no matter what problems will come, this is a very strong partnership. Communications will always be open. You will always come out of any challenges, any blocks in this connection, because this person is a go-getter. They don't settle on problems. They settle on solutions. So they will definitely be finding solutions in this relationship, finding ways to make you happy. I also feel for some of you, for 10% of you, this is somebody you are waiting for from the past. They are coming back, yes, but it's only for the 10% of you. King of Pentacles, this could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. This could be someone who is very, very stable. This person is quite stable in love. They are very loyal. They like to keep only one. They are very loyal, stable, and what you say, one partner at a time kind of a person. But when it comes to their physical world, like work, career, they are obsessed. This person is a workaholic, trust me. You will have to find ways to deal with their work schedule. Six of Pentacles, yes. This person will be very giving. They will give you a lot of gifts, a lot of compliments. They will shower you with everything that you want, even things you don't want. They will keep showering you with gifts, love, joy, happiness. But you will have to adjust with their routine. They have a strict routine. You will have to adjust with it. There will be a lot of passion, a lot of emotional communication. Let us see what else, how you will feel in this connection. Self-esteem, yes. I feel this person will definitely boost your self-esteem. You will feel like this person is good for you because they give you gifts, they connect with you emotionally. You guys have a lot of compatibility also, and I think your families also get along well. So that is another thing. So this person could be coming into your life through a marriage proposal, or through some matrimony sites or something, or like in a formal way they are coming into your life. So you guys feel safe with each other. There is a lot of self esteem, respect for each other in this connection. I possess gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. Yeah. What else? Surrender. I can release my need to control. Yeah, I do feel that at times you may find that you can't really change or you can't really change the course of this relationship or this person. So even right now you may be feeling like you can't really change your life, or you can't really change the way your love life is going. So surrender. So at times you will have to surrender things and give destiny a hand in your love life, so to bring this person or to make this relationship work. So let's see what else. Bees, oh my god, there will be a lot of attraction in this connection. Wow, mamma mia. So there's a lot of connection, attraction, connection. You both are very, very hardworking people. So you both may be actually colleagues or co-workers, or you both love your professions. You are workaholic people, but there is a lot of attraction because of this. You guys attract each other like moths attracted towards fire. You guys are very, very attracted to each other. The creature spa, yeah, I do feel that both of you will try to control each other. I don't know why, but that's what you are going to do. Especially our viewers, because your person's career is a little too demanding. You may not like it, so you will both want to micromanage a little each other. So that will be the only problem. I feel that your person's work schedule is quite busy. Another thing is, you may find your person is a, you may find each other a little bossy at times. So that is another thing. Some sort of a jealousy may also happen. You don't want to share each other, right? Advice. First light, beginning of a new cycle. So definitely you are at a new cycle in your love life. So trust, surrender, do not give up. And it's not a time to, if you are waiting for somebody for the from the past, it's okay, but try to keep your options open. Try to stay flexible. And look at that, passion and pleasure sever your life. So it is time to enjoy your life, friends. You don't have to deny yourself for work, for career, or so you may be saying like, oh, I need love just because my family says so, my friends are married, so I need to marry. No. You marry because it brings joy and passion for you. You do things because it makes sense to you. So whatever gives you happiness, you should do that. And it's no harm in living a passionate life. If you just don't always have to work, right? You deserve this love. What else? Okay, let's see. So May is important. This person could be born in May, or you may meet in May. Handshake, a meeting with a stranger could be important. Oh my god. So you guys could be meeting in May. Yeah, good news. Yes, good news is coming for you. Paul, plenty of material things. Yes, this person will give you a lot of gifts. They will definitely surround you with gifts. Dagger, fear, anxiety, and 10 situations. Yeah, I do feel that your person is someone who just can't sit still. They need to constantly do something. Grapes, time to go out and have some fun. Yes, I feel you are denying yourself. Pile number 2, like, oh, I'm happy with working. No, you need a break. Go out, have some fun, don't deny yourself. Opportunity or a windfall is coming. Carrot is about passion again, and health, happy passions. Dog, pleasure with a close friend. So yeah, this person could be a friend. As I told you, you may start as friends, later develop feelings for each other. You may start as proposals, dating site, matrimony sites, and then fall in love. October is important. Oh wow, I'm doing this in October. Wow, that's interesting. Recognition, rewards are coming for you. And cobweb, protected from negative forces. So you are definitely protected from all sorts of harms, friend. That's it for you now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see who is coming next for you, friends. If you chose this beautiful, the girl with this red dress, let us see the 9 of Cups. So this feels like a very, very happy dream come true relationship. Excuse my throat, friends. This feels like a very, very happy dream come true relationship. Something that will make you feel excited, very happy, very, very like a dream, like answered prayer. Also, this person is someone very joyous, very joyful, very, very colorful. So they are very light-hearted. They are someone who is very happy-go-lucky person. So this is a very good energy. So these are your oracle and advice. We're gonna look at them shortly. So let us see pile number 3. Who is coming for pile number 3? A very fun loving kind of a relationship. Somewhere you can have a lot of fun. 7 of Swords. So you have been through a lot of ghosting, friends. A lot of people have betrayed your trust. A lot of people have ghosted you. They have caused you a lot of pain and a lot of heartache. That's why right now you feel like love is a very heavy energy. Love is something that only hurts you. The 5 of Wands, yeah, you are definitely feeling a little confused. Should you love or should you not? Maybe you feel that falling in love is a bad idea because people have hurted you, people have caused you a lot of pain. Also, some of you are in double minds, should you say yes to a lover or should you say no, because you don't want to get hurt again. The Ten of Cups, but I feel the person who is coming towards you is someone who is absolutely brilliant. They have strong family values, they have a strong family circle or a big social circle. This person is someone who is extremely loving, caring, they like to have fun, and they are someone who makes everybody their family. So they will make you a family, they will not hurt you because they feel you are the family or you are somebody they care for. So this is a perfect, something what you are who is coming is perfect for you in many many ways. I also feel this person is someone who has a big family, who has, they may know your family or they could be a family friend also. I'm also feeling the person who is coming towards you is someone who likes to have fun, like, group activities is their favorite thing. Going out, having dinner, checking out new restaurants, going out, celebrating birthdays, every event, every day. They really like to celebrate. They have a big social life and they like it, they are a people's person. And the sun, yes, oh my god, look at that. This person is absolute sunshine. They are going to bring so much love and joy and happiness in your life, friends. And this is a very happy person who is coming towards you. They might also be popular, like someone who is very popular or who is a celebrity. Uh, they could be also very well known. They could be very well known. Also, they have a very strong connection to something, like, they believe in the sun, they believe in the solar energies, they believe in the moon. They could be very religious. I don't see them religious, but they believe in the universe, the law of attraction, and all those kind of things. I feel this person could be your twin flame, also your divine masculine and feminine. If you don't know your twin flame, they are coming. And the Four of Swords. So, yeah, this person is extremely patient who is coming towards you. They have a lot of patience. They don't hurry things, they don't rush through things. This person is fun loving, they are very caring, and at the same time, calm and peaceful. They are chilled, they are just chilled. This is the party person that you want to be on your side, like when you have a party, you want this person because they are the ones who will stay and clean up the mess afterwards. The Hermit, yeah, this person is someone who is quite an extrovert person, but when it comes to love and romance, they can become an introvert at times. They don't talk a lot about their feelings. Also, they may be they may really enjoy socializing, but at the same time, they are a quiet person. Like in a group, they sit quietly. They don't, this is the person who doesn't pick up on people and fight and argue openly. They like to, give people space. That's the kind of person they are. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. The King of Cups, yes, they could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel they are very emotional and they try a lot to hide their emotions by being fun loving, caring, extroverted. But I feel this person has a lot of love to offer, especially to our viewers. This person really likes you and they want to offer their love and commitment to you. So that's interesting. Okay, let's take that card. Ace of Pentacles. Oh my god, I feel this person is going to directly propose you marriage, or you may meet because of marriage or family communications. Family, your families might know each other. You might also meet through work, common classes, hobby classes, common colleges or universities. You might meet them. If you are joining a new job, you might meet this person there. So keep that in mind. I do feel that this person is somebody, this person is someone who is quite deep, they are very deep, they are loyal, caring. They try to be a very extroverted person, but I feel when it comes to love, they are very sweet and they take their time to talk. Nine of Cups. Oh my god, look at that. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Wow, two different decks and the same card. So this is you guys will bring each other a lot of happiness, friends. This is definitely an answered prayer kind of a relationship where you guys will bring a lot of fun, lot of joy, lot of happiness. You guys will socialize a lot, check out the same restaurants, go out together, celebrate every moment. This is a very happy, fun kind of a relationship. The king of the ocean. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I feel this person is quite a leader. They are quite a leader. You may not notice it, but they are a leader, and they are a visionary. They see ahead. This person is someone who has an interest in astrology, astronomy, the planets, the universe. So this person is very far, futuristic. They think a lot about their future. Like in their first meeting, they will see how it will be to be married and have kids with you. So they are a dreamer in many ways. And I feel this person is a Pink Floyd or John Lennon fan. They like this kind of music. John Lennon, Pink Floyd, Coldplay, rock music. They like that. The world, oh my god. Regeneration. Yeah, this person could be living in some another city and country than yours. Also, this person is someone who doesn't like change. They resist change in many ways. Like, they don't want change in their routines, in their favorite colors, favorite food. They like to experiment and try, but like they stick to basics always. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. Like they may try new restaurants, but the order, whatever they order, is like momos, so they will continue to order momos at every restaurant. So it's like they like change, but not so much that it will actually irritate them. So yeah. And they may be at a different city and country than yours, and they are quite a leader. You can't miss this person. They are a leader, and they have a very seductive, very calm and very deep, dark, handsome. Three of Swords. Yeah, I do feel that you will meet this person when you are going through a heartache, or they are going through a heartbreak, or right after a heartbreak, you will meet this person. I also feel you may meet this person, when you both are not ready for love. You are not ready to fall in love, but you may meet this person, and that's exactly how you guys will, learn to open up to each other. The queen of the ocean. Oh my god, look at that. The king of the ocean, the emperor and the empress both are here. Again, a match made in heaven. And I shuffled in front of you. This is a perfect match. You guys are perfect for each other. But it will take you a certain amount of time to know and understand. You guys are different. Like this is red, this is green. You guys are little different. But I think you will end up being together. You will learn each other. You will learn what you like, what they don't like, what they don't like, what are your flaws. You will learn to make a good partnership together, and it will be a lot of fun. It will be a lot of fun and lot of joy, and at the same time you guys will be leaders. So there is no power struggle here. There is only fun, joy, and more productivity. It's a good relationship, if you ask me. Let's see. Peace. Wow, this will bring a lot of peace. I think you guys will really, really understand each other. It will take some time, but yes, you guys will understand each other. It will bring you a lot of peace, a lot of sense of stability and security. And since you both are leaders, you guys will understand each other. Like priorities and everything. This is a very peaceful connection. Relationships. Yeah, this your partner definitely likes to have a good relationship with everybody, especially their family, their close friend circle, the society at large. So this person has a lot of relationships, in the sense like cordial terms with everybody, cordial relationships. You will have to understand that part of them. uh, you know s- Maybe you have an extended family and extended friends circle, or your partner has it, but one of you will have to understand it. Let us see what else. Lion. Wow, this is a very, very passionate connection. You will feel extremely passionate towards your person. Also, you both are like lion and lionesses, very aggressive and at the same time very fun loving. Like the passions are very high in this connection. but also, lions are playful also. So that's how this connection is book. Wow, there is so much to learn about each other. At first you may find that this is a very sweet connection, it is very fun loving. Then you will find layers in this connection. It is a layered connection, like an onion. There is a lot to learn about each other in this connection. And you guys may actually study together in the future, or you guys may work together in the future. You guys may write a book after meeting this person. This person could be a writer, or they may write a book in the future. Let's see the advice for you. Transformation, a fresh new way of living is emerging. So if you are feeling very stuck right now, friends, do not worry. Changes are coming. Changes for your love life are coming. A fresh new love life, a fresh new way of living is coming for you. Ascending the mountain, keep going forward. Yes, this is not a time to doubt yourself. This is not a time to have letting go or quitting. Keep moving forward, because you are going to meet this person extremely soon, and it will be fun when you do that. So don't give up, you are on the right path. All right, let's see. Fair woman, a person with light colored hair is important, man or a woman. Finger, warning you of a problem either now or in the future. So yeah, I do feel that you're a little worried something will go wrong, but I think you're safe, you're protected, nothing to worry about. Wishbone, a wish is granted. Yes, nine of cups, nine of cups. You have two nine of cups, and then wish is granted. So yes, your wishes will be answered. A change is coming. Yes, stick with the path, friends. You will be surprised happily. Cheer, someone is leaving. Yes, if someone is going out of your life, it's okay. Something better is coming. Clouds, temporary situations. The situation in your love life is temporary. Things will get better. Diamond. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. So this person may actually propose marriage or wedding to you. Diamonds are forever. And Barrel. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Yeah, you are definitely feeling a lack of love. An exciting event is going to happen soon. Yeah, good news is coming for you. And dog, pleasure with a close friend. So I do feel this person could be your friend, or they will become your very close best buddy also. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, join us on Insta. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.